We're trying to figure out which of the following could be the distance between x and z. So the distance between w and x is what? 2. And the distance between x and y, of course we don't know what order these things are coming in, is 4. And the distance between y and z is 9. Well, we can't let z be out here because we're trying to figure out the difference between x and z, and your largest number of your answer is 11. So z can't be to the right because that's 13, that'd be 15 away from w, so that can't be right. So let's say that there's y. The distance between y and z is 9. Y and z is 9. So that would have to be 3, right? 4, 5, 6, they make 9. So which of the following could be the distance between x and z? Well, where is x? Here's x and z, and that's 3 plus 2, which is 5. And that's one of your answers. And the other ones, they're either too small or they're too large.